You won't waste your money buying plantain chips outside anymore because I'll be showing you the best method to make your plantain chips tasty, crunchy and crispy. For this recipe, I'm using a ripe plantain and not so ripe plantain. The first thing to do is to gently remove the plantain peel. To get that very thin plantain slices, we'll need a vegetable cutter. Then we'll be using the chips blade to cut out the plantain slices. If you don't have a vegetable cutter, you can also use a sharp knife to cut your slices. Just make sure the slices are very thin and slim, just like this. After slicing out the plantain, sprinkle in a little bit of salt on the unripe plantain. You don't need to add salt to the ripe plantain, it has a natural taste already. Now that is done, add some oil in a pot and set on medium heat. Add a slice of onion to the oil. This is just to add some flavor to the vegetable oil. When the oil heats up, you see the onion will start floating on the oil. Now you can transfer in your plantain slices into the vegetable oil. Now to get that crispy and crunchy plantain chips, allow the first side to fry for 2 minutes before you start to stir. So after frying the first side for 2 minutes, you can now start stirring your chips so that each side can get well fried. The total time for frying the unripe plantain was 7 minutes. This is the part where I fry the ripe plantain. I'm putting it one by one because I don't want the ripe plantain sticking together. Just the same way I did when frying the ripe plantain, allow this to fry a bit before you start stirring in the oil. Allow the first side to fry for a minute or two before you now change the side. This will make your plantain chips come out crunchy and crispy and make all the sides well fried. Because it's ripe plantain, it took more time to fry than the unripe plantain. This took like 10 minutes before it got well fried. Now take this out of the oil and spread on a tray. When it cools down, your plantain becomes very crunchy, just like this. Can you see how good looking this plantain chips looks? It does not only look good, it tasted good and it was very crunchy and crispy. I hope you'll be trying this method. If you try this method and it came out well, drop me a comment in the comment section, and if you have any question, go ahead to ask in the comment section. This will last for a month if you store it in an airtight container. Thanks for watching. Till I come your way next time. Stay safe. Bye.